How is this gonna work? My Lexus in a good spot. You forgot the ramps. What's today, Matt?
My birthday?
It's your birthday!
It's my birthday.
What are we doing?
We are going to DMD Offroad to do make the truck stuff.
Hell yeah. We were actually here a year ago and did some pretty crazy stuff. Here's some footage of that. That's awesome.
Hold on a second.
Oh, Jesus.
We're gonna give you the old size comparison here real quick.
There's a stock dually sitting in front of him. Oh my god. Holy crap. He's lifting it. Holy crap.
Yes!
It's an LS swap. He had to lift it so it could be full. Hey, all the puppers are out. What's up? Well, welcome to DMD Offroad. DMD stands for Devin Moore Designs. That's Devin. He's pretty much a badass.
Oh, he is a badass.
He is a badass. And if we don't look out, he's gonna run over Kyle's truck. How is this gonna work? My Lexus in a good spot. You forgot the ramps. That's f***ing hilarious. So we're loading the trucks up and we're heading to the
How does he make that
river.
Made that look easy.
Oh my god, you forgot the ramps.
Yeah.
Where we're going?
He's pretty much the most
What's
badass
happening? Right.
neck I've ever met in my life.
Going up. Let's see what Devin's got in the shop. Come on, puppy. Oh, this is God. This was here last time. It's got a big F3 in it on a big block. 1,000 horsepower. It's ridiculous. Got another lifted Chevy. Subframe. And a side-by-side Ranger. That'd be weird to drive. I love it. This is ridiculous. That. Hell yeah. I think it's gonna be a good day. Where are we heading, Devin?
Down to the river.
Down by the river. Let's hop in and do this. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Turning radius, what? Go over that piece of shit Honda! Where's the joystick for the back? Is it just the back wheels?
Yeah, you just hit it that way.
Whoa.
Into the self-center.
Does it take a while to get used to?
You just hit that.
Oh, no way. It centers itself?
Yeah.
Well, who needs an alignment when you got that?
Exactly.
Are you gonna spend your birthday this way every year?
I hope so. I'm okay with that.
Move! He does not give a yeah, okay, he does now. Oh, you got a weird effect on cat. Oh, you gotta wait.
I wasn't ready.
Oh, shit, that one's on the wrong side of the fence. Oh, yeah, here we That's fine. As long as it stays on there. Oh yeah, we're good. We're
She
good.
made it. She caught some branches.
Straight still? Yeah,
It's okay. Oh boy, we're going down. Holy shit. Oh my god. Hell yeah.
The only thing on the river is you can't sit in one spot, you'll sink.
Oh yeah. I didn't think about that.
Alright, 3 hogs!
Oh, you jumped you. Sucks to suck. Hell yeah.
had the World 60 in it, and it shifts out good, just like a stock when you leave it in drive.
Oh yeah. Damn, I barely even slowed it down. That's awesome.
This thing's expensive.
Oh yeah, it is.
Cool, you'll run into random
Look at, here comes some. It looks so small.
Decided to take a break out here. We ran some ATVs, and guess what's right over here? They took us back to where we were at all weekend. Thunder Valley Raceway is like a half a mile straight ahead of us. Oh my god, look at that thing. What a beast.
pounds on the bed.
25,000?
That's what their on-road pull is.
Damn.
15,000 off-road, so spring packs are heavy on it.
Did they come with the bed or they just hook up?
They come with a, this one was actually a tractor truck. It was set up to haul a semi-trailer.
Gotcha.
But whenever the fire department had it, they took the hitch off of it. So.
So it was a retired military vehicle given to the fire department?
Yep. I'm going to put super singles on it and probably a crew cab.
What kind of motors on it?
It's a multi-fuel turbo.
From what year?
A little bit. This is a 65.
65. Is it the original motor? Is it?
It's got 13,000 miles on it.
That's it? And just like that.
Rain.
Good old Oklahoma monsoon.
Sand rails. Nice.
That was cool.
Did you throw that?
It did. It actually got the beer, so. Oh, that's fine.